Hello guys, this is the tutorial to access the Flipgrid. You're gonna go over to browser. I chose Google Chrome, select the account, and look for Flipgrid. Choose the first option. Then you're gonna click here on the button of sign up. You're gonna register with Google and use your school account. Don't use your personal accounts, please. You click there, you fulfill this information. Okay, once you have the information here, you're gonna click on next, and then you will be accessing to the first configuration panel, but you're gonna close it. Here you're gonna click on group and join. Here you're gonna paste or copy the code that I gave you in class and set, and just click let's go. Then you will appear in the group. To add an entry, you're gonna just add here, right? Once you click on add to topic, your camera will be activated and you will be able to access here all the features that you want to access. Then you're gonna click here to record any video that you want, then stop it, then next. You can edit it. Next, here you're gonna put your personal name and then pause the topic. Go to the topic and then you will see your entry here, and that's it. Thank you.